Where does your water come from? To get to your faucet, water is moved from the source, here at the Colorado River and California Aqueduct. It is then pumped through hundreds of miles of aqueducts and pipes to get to your home, where you use it for everything from drinking to bathing. But the story doesn't end there. Our mission at Santa Margarita Water District is to build and operate a resilient, sustainable, environmentally friendly, and cost-effective network of resources to reliably bring water to our communities. When you flush, shower, or take a bath, we take that wastewater, which would otherwise be emptied into the ocean, and pump it here to one of our water reclamation plants. Here it is transformed from wastewater into a high-quality, recycled, reusable water for irrigation. After treatment, the recycled water is stored in one of our 3 seasonal storage reservoirs. From there, it flows to our parks and outdoor recreational facilities, keeping our community beautiful and green, while protecting our ocean from unnecessary pollutants and reducing our dependence on imported water. But we don't stop there. We are constantly looking for ways to collect and recycle water that would otherwise end up polluting our environment. At Gobernadora, we take collected storm and community runoff and convert it into usable, recycled water. The Oso Water Reclamation Plant is undergoing major renovations to ensure that we are using the most cost-efficient and sustainable methods to protect our environment and keep costs down. And at the Lake Mission Viejo Advanced Treated Water Facility, we have taken wastewater treatment to the next level. Here, our advanced water treatment process, the first of its kind in the state, is treating wastewater to a level that provides an iconic, sustainable, recreational lake to our community. Another key element in our primary mission is ensuring that everyone has reliable access to affordable, drinkable water, and this requires resiliency. The Upper Chiquita Reservoir stores 244 million gallons of drinking water for emergencies, if the unexpected happens. And we are in the process of developing ways to tap into local sources of groundwater to build up our reserves even more. So where does our water come from? It comes from the hard work, dedication, and sharp focus from everyone on the Santa Margarita Water District team to make sure your water is local, reliable, and sustainable, as nature intended.